but we have to make it quickly. And through short-term actions, and we can do it through a fair transition if we reach the peak of emissions within the 3 next years.
At a European level, the targets were defined, so targets to be realized, to be used at a production level. We talk about 40 gigawatt by 2030. With a gradual development. Italy moved in this industry and set its targets to meet, and they are 5 gigawatt by 2030. Renewable energy can allow the conversion into electrical energy. For example, in Saudi Arabia, people cannot use this kind of energy. So this allows the mobility and the delivery of this energy that becomes an important link that put together remote areas. So this is significant because it's a carrier that links renewables with different uses. Real question that we tried to answer in the last few years. So it was to find which was the real focus of our business.
Opportunities. Well, we talked about hydrogen, energy transition, so they represent a great opportunity, but also I would like to talk about some main characteristics. First of all, about growth, which is pushing investments from a governmental point of view, but also in private sectors, which it's pushing investments that are born from the need to transform their industry by reducing the amount of CO2, and this need will grow. I believe that FRIEM and you in particular are involved in something which is certain, in a world that is in complete chaos. There are some certain points, and energy transformation is a certain point. And this explains that we have to raise the bar. As a financial point of view, we have always been solid and sound. But if we want to meet these goals and be a player in this market, we have to make the leap.
Of course, when talking about hydrogen, we usually don't consider it as something near our citizens, because the first projects to start will be industrial projects. The so-called are hard to abate because they are industries that are difficult to decarbonize, because they cannot be decarbonized through electricity, so we need to use green fuel with high temperature processes. That's hydrogen, of course. This is something very far from our everyday life, but by 2023, some projects will start. The first to start will be the industrial one, but there will also be a series of industries such as mobility and the residential industry. And this is the last part of the message that I want to leave you with. These ambitions might translate into opportunities for you. I understand that it could be a stress. There's more and more work to do. But these will be important opportunities for each one of us. This is the most beautiful message that you can read today in these numbers, in what we told you.
We have great opportunities ahead of us, and we want to conquer this market. We want to conquer it with great ambition and enthusiasm. I just want to see in your faces all the enthusiasm of this challenge that FRIEM wants to take. We have to conquer this new market of hydrogen. It was really fruitful, and I do hope that the message reached everyone. Of course, these are challenging goals. This morning we have established the structure in order to meet these goals, and I always like to think that we have a vision.